Hey guys, Jez and Norris for I Just Wrote a Blog, and today we're going to be checking out beef jerky milk chocolate bar from Wild Ophelia. I saw this recently at the local Wegmans here in New Jersey. I'm sure you can find it there. It costs about $5-6, I believe it was. Never had this before, and I'm always up to trying new and weird things in the world of chocolate. See, very striking box with beef jerky pretty much up front and center. It's made with 44% cacao. And the nutritional facts: about 150 calories per serving, and serving size is half a bar, so that's pretty hefty. That's not bad. And you can see more information here on what you're going to be eating. I don't know if anybody really pays attention to that, but I'm pretty sure you can find all that information in their website, and I'll link that below. And let's crack this box open. Oh, look at that. There's some message inside. This is not your mom's chocolate bar, says. It's an American chocolate maker. Now, I've never had anything from Wild Ophelia themselves, so this would be a first. See, there's some artwork inside this box. Let's crack that open. Just get a scissors real quickly. And we can see inside very nice artwork. It's very interesting. I like that. It's very good. I wonder who did the artwork on this. Doesn't really say, but it's nice and fancy. Don't see that too much in chocolate bars. You can see it's a standard foil packaging, sealed for freshness. Crack it open real quickly. Just cut it. I think it's sealed a little too good. Still can't open it. Nope. And as you can see, standard chocolate bar right here. Break off one piece. I can't really see any beef jerky pieces. Perhaps it's shredded in. I'll give it a shot. It's interesting. You can't really taste the beef jerky too much. I was hoping for like chunks of beef jerky inside. I think I rather like Moe's bacon bar better. I'll do an unboxing and a review, quick review on that in the near future. Anyway, if you want to give it a shot, head on over to your local grocery store and see if they have this. Again, it's a beef jerky milk chocolate bar from Wild Ophelia. I have another one too that I bought, and we'll go over that in the near future. Alright, Jez out.